Deep inside your mind lies a city like no other, Brainopolis. It's where thoughts race, ideas spark, and neurons never sleep. But today, something's not quite right. The brain feels foggy, slow, like it's wrapped in a sleepy cloud. And that's when she arrives, Yawning, a soft breeze in the neural sky, gentle and graceful, with a mission to refresh the mind. As she glides through Brainopolis, she cools the brain's overheated circuits. A single yawn lowers the temperature, helping the brain stay sharp and focused. But that's not all. Yawning brings a rush of oxygen, fueling neurons, clearing the haze, and waking up the sleepy city. And here's the magical part. Yawns are contagious. One yawn becomes two, then three, spreading empathy from brain to brain. It's not just a reflex, it's a connection, a silent signal that says, I understand, I'm with you. With her mission complete, Yawning drifts quietly across the sky, leaving Brainopolis calm, clear, and connected. So next time you yawn, don't brush it off. You're cooling your brain, boosting your focus, and sharing a moment of empathy. Thanks to Yawning, the brain's gentle guardian, every yawn is a little act of wonder.